Hi, this is take 3. I'm gonna get it right this time. This is my video for the comprehension article analysis. The article that I read is entitled First and Second Grade Urban Students' Path to Comprehension Strategy Use, a Practitioner's Framework. And it was found in Reading Psychology. The authors identified problem area was that there was little research on comprehension skill work in primary grades, and specifically when instruction consisted of exposing students to more than one strategy at a time. So the review of literature section gave justifications for teaching in a direct instruction style and teaching not only comprehension skill um, but also declarative, procedural, and conditional knowledge for each of the strategies. So declarative would be which strategy to use, procedural would be how to use it, conditional would be the student explaining why they're using it and what they hope to get by using this strategy. The addition of these 3 types of knowledge really promoted metacognition within the comprehension strategy instruction. So the study used 44 first and second grade urban students. They were predominantly African American. One group received ECSI procedure instruction, explicit comprehension strategy instruction, and the other group was taught similar comprehension skills, but without the ECSI framework. So as kind of a pretest, the students were interviewed about comprehension instruction use before, during, and after reading. They were stopped periodically throughout a text and were asked, what comprehension strategy did you just use? Why did you use it? How do you think it's going to help you understand this article? Students then went through the ECSI process of instruction. 6 strategies were taught. They were activating prior knowledge, predicting, connecting, monitoring and clarifying, inferring, and summarizing. Each of these strategies was taught within a 30-minute lesson. It was initially modeled by the teacher during a read aloud, and then during guided reading groups, the teacher guided the student use of the strategy with gradual release of responsibility. These strategies continued to be used throughout the entire school year, and students through the guided reading groups and through partner reading were constantly practicing these 6 strategies and the declarative, procedural, and conditional knowledge when using each of the strategies. So the students were interviewed again at the end of the year using the same procedure where they were stopped during reading and asked questions. The results were positive. The ECSI was successful. Students were able to articulate what strategy they were using and why. What I really liked about this article was after the conclusions were given, the author included a detailed plan for implementation of a self-regulated strategy use. She gave step-by-step instructions as to how to have the students understand the comprehension strategies, how to explain them. And I just found this to be an excellent addition to the research article, and it gives immediate implications for classroom instruction. It just makes the research immediately usable and relevant. And I think a classroom teacher could easily read through this article and have immediate takeaways from it. So that's it. Thanks.